Today's project, we are doing a Swahili Metallic accent wall, and we want to show you the process, so follow me. And what we're doing today is we're going to be putting our primer coat on and then our top coat. Our top coat is Swahili Metallic. Now I want to tell you a little bit about these products we use. All of them come from Miami, Florida, from a company called Color, and they get their products from Color in Italy. So I want to show you our primer coat, which is called Novolux E. This is tinted to a grayish color, and we're going to be putting this on the wall first with a brush and roller, and we're going to let it dry, and then I'm going to show you the sample board because this is the Swahili Metallic. This is a chrome color, it's silver, and it is vertical style, and we put this on with a brush. So now here comes the fun part. We got our primer dry. Now we're gonna put our top coat on. As I said before, this is called Swahili Metallic, and we get this from Color. This is some beautiful stuff. Makes the wall very elegant, especially with the style that we're doing. And we're gonna be up and down with it, and as it's drying, we can move the sand that's in it around to make the pattern that we want. That completes this project of the entertainment center accent wall, and so it's time to get out of here. So we took a blank wall, we primed it, and then we put our Swahili Metallic on and then cleaned everything up. That's the second wall we've done here at this client's house. So if you want to see the first wall we've done, we're going to put a link down below in the description. Also, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our Venetian plaster accent walls, and find us on Facebook and Instagram for more.